So you'd like to redeem a voucher for the show. This is an easy process and I'll help you walk right through it. Up at the top, it says show dates and tickets. Simply click that link. This will bring us a mini calendar as well as a vertical calendar here. We can see more dates on the vertical calendar if we'd like to. Let's say we want to use the mini calendar and we want to pick a date for August 22nd. We simply navigate to it, click the date we would like. There's one showtime, so we click that showtime. And that brings us to our seat selection page. We're going to click through general admission. Let's say you have 5 vouchers that you've purchased. We're going to go to the next page. This area here is an additional add-on. You can choose this, but at the end, you will have to pay an additional amount for that particular add-on. So let's click next. To redeem our vouchers, it's important that we first hit this here. It's a small drop down. Now verify that you have the number of tickets that you want. In this case, it's 5, that the price is what it should be, and that the particular date is the date you want. You'll see the date right here. So we're going to enter our codes. In this case, we're going to enter example 1. We hit apply, and we can see that the screen has flashed and updated, and our overall cost has reduced. Now, we're going to re-click that again and enter our next code. If we have multiple vouchers, we'll have to enter each one individually. We hit apply, and our 153 is now 112. Again, hit the area, example 3, apply, hit the drop down, example 4, apply, and our final credit, example 5, apply. Now our entire total is zeroed out. That's exactly what we want it to be, 1 ticket for each voucher. So let's go down and enter our name. We'll enter John Doe. We have to enter our email, so it'll be johndoe@johndoe.com. We have to repeat that to verify that it's the proper email. We'll enter our zip code. Do you understand that children under 6 are not admitted to the show? Yes. Where did you learn about the show? Travel and Leisure Co. Agree to the terms and conditions. You can read them simply by clicking that drop down. I agree to that. And then I'm interested in deals and updates about the show. We never give away or sell email addresses. This is just for updates or certain deals once or twice throughout the year. Hit next. And there's our order. If I click here, it will fully complete the order. Let's recheck our information here. There's also a summary right here. You can see that we have Jason Bishop's Straight Up Magic, Friday, August 22nd, 2025. There are 5 tickets. All of them are now zeroed out. And Mr. John Doe will receive his tickets at his email address. Complete order. That's it. You can manage tickets here, create a new order or add to calendar, or contact us. The tickets will be sent to your email address, and we'll see you guys at the show.